Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Wow, my people, Dancehall skilla there here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to present to you videos that are being talked about on social media, and I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me what I think about these videos. Now, the first video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a man laying on the ground, and it is said that the man was drunk while the video was being recorded. Now, in my point of view, it seems as if the man was trying to explain to at least one person how much alcohol he drank. And it seems as if he was somewhat crying while the video was being recorded, viewers and subscribers. This video is being talked about on social media because of how the man was behaving in the video, viewers and subscribers. You understand? And I would like you to tell me what you think about the situation shown in this video. Now, before I present this video to you, I want to say this to each and everyone, that you are not supposed to drink alcohol unless you are of the legal age to do so within your country. And I want to say this to each and every adults: if you're going to drink alcohol, drink responsibly and do not drink and drive. Alright? Anyway, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Me tell him that, listen, me no want next one. I didn't give me me no want next one, and he give me one next one. This one me tell him, me say wash it. Me no want next one, you know. And he give me. Me tell him say, me a go home. And he give me one next one. Farmer, alright, me need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And he give me one dragon. And he give me one. You see when me go on there, he give me one dragon. And me say wash it. Me no want one next one. But to me too craving. You see that?
If somebody you don't want no more, why you drink it?
Me drink for 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 in a one time. And then when me go to the shop, me drink 1, 2. And then me drunk. And then me drunk. And then me drunk. After that me drunk. And when me a bed me drunk. After that me drunk.
Look like him.
Father, they make me drunk, mommy. Father, they make me drunk.
Kem, go on in and lock the door. Go on in and lock the door. Get up and go in and lock the door. Come in and there. You know here?
I'm here to go to church and listen. Go to church and listen.
When you going in, alright.
Mommy, you know that me not drunk, you know.
You not drunk, get up and go on in. Get up and go on in.
Ah, God.
Come on, you do.
Oh, that. Oh, no, me not go in. Me not make it take me.
You know, me keep take you one in.
Oh, who that to again?
Lucky door now.
If I come out big, I got cut.
Go lucky door.
If I come out big, I got cut.
You don't know where it is.
See key, so. They will not.
Me hang up pink and lucky for inside.
You hang up key? Come, go lucky inside, come.
Me I go lock you and lie down on the floor.
Yes, lucky and lie down for
Mommy,
me.
alright.
Yes, me alright.
I'm gonna make you alright.
Yes, me alright.
Alright, happy Mother Day, yeah?
Yes.
Alright, tomorrow.
Yes, lucky.
Mommy,
Yeah?
look at me.
Yeah?
Me drunk.
Ah, me I will tell them.
Tell him to me drunk, make he call me and tell me say cool down.
Yes, cool down, no, lucky door, cool face. Lucky door.
Me know me hearing say mommy in the video, viewers, subscribers. Yeah, man. know me and say mommy in the video. Somebody offer you a couple rounds of liquor, as all some people might say, see? And if you drink a certain amount and you feel like you're tipsy and you feel like you don't want no more, don't make nobody force you. Don't make no one force you. Say, don't overdo it. You ever hear about alcohol poisoning? You ever hear about liver getting damaged and kidney getting damaged and all them things, eh? You ever hear about diabetes? Trust me, drinking alcohol can be bad for your health, alright? So, can't tell anyone as an adult what to do, but me can give little advice. So, be careful out there. So, I say, I'm not act like me perfect. You know, I'm not going to act like I'm perfect. Like, me know what is alcohol out there and them things there. So, I say about drink responsibly. Anyways, next topic. Now, I am going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, that's going to show a man on top of a roof working while someone was on the ground holding on to a rope that is connected to something that is wrapped around the man that is on the roof working, viewers and subscribers. You see me I say? And in my point of view, based on some things that I saw in the video, viewers and subscribers, I do not think that the man who was on top of the roof was working safe. I don't think so. See? Yeah, in my point of view, I don't think the man was working safe, but you can tell me what I think, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Anyways, here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe. Tell me what I think, and I'm going to tell you what I think as well.
Somebody need to explain to me what is the use of this rope?
Exactly.
How is the rope protecting this man? Yes, is he asked them plain. What is this man doing? You didn't see this shit? So he's a dog then.
Alright, my people, I'm looking at the video and I wondered if the person who was on the roof was actually wearing a harness. Me I wonder, you see me I say? Me I wonder. But anyways, still, yes, when it comes on to someone doing work on top of a roof or someone doing construction work, as well some persons might say, you are supposed to wear certain safety gears like a helmet, harness, and other things as well to protect yourself while you're doing your work. You understand? But wearing safety gears alone cannot protect you. You have to use those safety gears properly. And in my point of view, that rope and whatsoever the rope connected to that I saw in the video don't look like those things are being used properly and are real. Like for real, that don't look safe to me. That situation don't look safe to me. You understand? But you can tell me what I think, viewers and subscribers. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, viewers and subscribers, you see the next video I'm going to present to you, this video will be recorded somewhere out there in the world. I don't know exactly where and when the video will be recorded, and according to some comments that have been made on social media about the video, and according to some things that I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that in the video you can hear a man who is said to be a law enforcer asking a motorist for money, and it is believed that the law enforcer was asking for a bribe. Viewers and subscribers, I don't have a lot of information about the situation shown in the video, and I would like you to tell me what you think about this video as well. Alright? Here's the video. Look, listen and observe.
Because I told you about spiritual diction. He's training me. What he's training me is the word of God. The personality of the word of God. If I stop you and I don't see, what are you talking about, Pastor? See, if I stop you and I refuse to see what the host of heaven has made me to stop you, I stop. I leave this earth.
This is your host of heaven.
What is wrong with you? I've been following you with humility of the word, with obedience of the word.
I need to go.
Okay, you need to go. Package that thing and
give me my document first too.
Before you go give me the 10 naira.
Nobody say.
Yes, about naira and
what is the document? Am I seeing your document?
Give me first now.
So that when I give you finish now, you don't.
I won't run.
How you go run?
If I want to, I don't run since now.
No, you can't run.
Hey, I won't run.
See,
not that I
do you know who arrested you?
Not that I can't run.
It's not police who arrested you. God arrested you for me today.
Hallelujah. Thank God I'm born again.
You say?
Thank God I'm born again. I hope you're born again.
What is the meaning of born again?
I've given my life to Christ.
Have you been converted? Have you been recreated?
By the grace of God.
What is the grace of God? By the truth of the word of God. You are still a church man. Listen, watch me here. What do you know what is biting? You can't, except you can that you cannot understand.
Yeah, I've heard.
Even I try to show you something here, you are not even interested. What is wrong with you? As you don't, if you give me 10,000, it is not money. Not money. Now money for where you
You
did.
be big man now.
Which one the big man?
Money.
Where other motors?
Yeah, the
Where
one my husband.
Papa
I'm not
Johnson,
the
other
Yahoo
motor?
boy.
Which one be Yahoo boy?
No, Yahoo boy, they spend money.
Wait, did I tell you say you be Yahoo boy? Why are you talking like this? Why are you trying to be very stingy?
Chief.
Which one is chief? Don't call me chief.
Why are you trying to be very stingy?
Don't call me
Man
chief.
of God.
I am not
You
chief.
like God now. Yeah.
Which one is you? The way you are talking fresh. You don't say that motor enter. What do you want us to do?
Give my document first.
No be your document. Package me first.
Package.
Inside office there, this is a matter we treat it no less than.
Which matter?
What are you talking about now? See, bros, I'm not here to play with you.
Chief, make her dey go.
Bros, take me to office, I beg.
Chief, make her dey go. Why they go office? Why you won't carry me go office?
Because of the papers.
Which paper? Which paper is not complete?
I've asked you now.
Which paper don't I have now?
Please, now, if I don't like this argument,
You
let's
asked me
go
for
make
insurance.
another
I've shown you the insurance.
Let's go let another senior officer enter into it because
Chief, I'm not going.
I said stop calling me chief.
I
I'm not
have
a
the
chief.
document you want.
I deny you as chief. I say I'm a man of God. I don't have that
I'm giving you.
Forget it now. Forget it. You want us to know in the other side.
Let me have my documents.
You have the man
Let me
documents.
have my document now.
For what now?
But you want to see that show you.
Take me. Forget about that. You are the type that
Excuse me.
you disobey the speakings of the law. Take me to the office.
Every document you want, I've shown you.
Forget. It's not here. My insurance is not here.
And I've shown you the insurance.
I've not seen insurance.
I have the insurance. I've shown you.
Give me your insurance.
I've shown you the insurance.
Yeah, you're the man I go on people. You're the man. My people, no law enforcer not supposed to ask for money from no motorists if them break any form of traffic law, you know. Yes, I say, no, I don't know exactly what's the whole case when it comes on to the video that I just presented to you, but hear how the man says certain things to the other person that is said to be a motorist. You hear them things, my people? Me I tell you, my people, I tell you, say, the world no level, you know. The world no level, you know, level, my people, it no level. You understand? Me I tell you, my people, big up and respect to each and everyone. Let me know what you think about those videos that I presented to you in this video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself, you see? Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man, hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.